did learning actually give us joy? I have seen my kids, they are just in EY1. But instead of filling books with, letters, the various ways in which they have been taught each letter, Play-Doh, and then digitally, and then with crumpled paper and ribbons, and at home in the online learning, our teachers have been telling us to use utensils and to use atta, to use all sorts of things, paints, colors. It's a joy. It's truly a joy for them to learn. We had multiple units that we did in this year. My kids know more about transport today than I do. And the last unit of animals that we did at home. Trust me, I have learned so much that I wish we had IB when we were kids. Mona ma'am, I'd also like to say one more thing about her. She is extremely approachable. We had one issue which we wanted to discuss, something personal. And the way she welcomed us not only into her cabins but made us feel so included, so involved, as if we were actually in a relationship with Mount Litera. It was not that it was just at children's school. Like, I'm from Jamnabai, so I always say, my school. I now feel Mount Litera is my school too. We have that bond with the school because of the way the principal, the teachers, Miss Vritti of Aster and Miss Akshita of Iris. We had some more teachers join us in Iris. Miss Pooja is there now. The teachers have been excellent. They have treated the children as their own. Right from day one, come out to pick them up, ensured they are happy, made them stop crying, even emailed us photographs of when they stopped crying so that as parents we can be comfortable. The involvement that they have, allowed us to do and encouraged us to do as the CR of the class, I have been so happy that I just would love to be the CR again because I have been able to organize such beautiful things in partnership with the school. We had a meet at our polyclinic where the teachers could meet, children could meet all the doctors. It was excellent. Then we've been going again and again as mystery readers. I had one day where I could go in and teach them Arabic. In ICSE schools, our parents were not even allowed inside except open house and sports day. But here they understand that, IB understands that we have a relationship in a way that it's a three-way. It's the parent, teacher and child. And when they involve us so much, we just as parents feel overjoyed to be a part of this journey of our kids. Bushra ma'am, we got to know her a little later in the year. But right from her first email that she sent me, she made me feel like, we have someone who's looking after our interests in school and who's going to put our kids first about everything else, and we don't have to worry. So any concern, she's addressed it immediately, and they're all so humble, so welcoming, so warm. Want to go back to the school and do as much as we can. We feel truly lucky, and I feel so blessed that I chose Mount Litera. And that time there were, there are some IB options. Some people are still telling us to rethink ICSE since we are ICSE kids. But IB is excellent because, as I said, it inculcates the love of learning. And Mount Litera, the infrastructure, the heads of the school, the teachers, the dedication by everyone, the love and warmth of even the didis, and their whole style of teaching has been fabulous. We felt it even before we could see it in person, and now through online learning we are witnessing it every day. So we'd just like to say that we hope Mount Litera stays strong and stable, and the coming years are just better, and we can have a long and happy relationship with this awesome school, which now I feel is my own. Thank you.